Ever wondered what happens when you cook chicken liver and chicken together? Today, we're combining both to create a delicious and perfectly cooked chicken masala kaleji. Let's jump right in. Pour a half cup of oil into a pan. Introduce one chopped onion. Fry the onions until they are translucent. Add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger and garlic. Toss in 2 green chilies. Cook until the mixture turns light brown. Add 3 to 4 tomatoes to the pan. Cook with the lid on until the tomatoes are soft. Season with salt to taste. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Add a half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Toss in a pinch of kalonji. Crumble in 1 chicken stock cube. Cook covered for 1 minute. Add ½ kilograms of boneless chicken cut into small cubes. Cook covered until the meat is tender. Since chicken liver cooks much faster than chicken, it's important to introduce ½ kilograms of chicken liver kaleji after the chicken is tender to prevent overcooking the liver, which can make it tough and dry. Cook covered until the kaleji is perfectly cooked. Simmer on low flame to the desired thickness of the gravy. Sprinkle 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala powder. Garnish with green chilies and coriander. Your chicken masala kaleji is ready to serve. Enjoyed making chicken masala kaleji? Comment, like, and subscribe for more recipes. Have a wonderful day.